Guys, there's a new post again about Traction website. Let's dig into this. So what is Traction website for? And why is Pi Network featured in that website? Okay, here we are at Traction website. If you read it like that, Traction. Here's the slash Pi Network. On my right, Pi Network funding and investors. So Traction website is about startups and investors. This is where they meet in this website. As you can see, there are 3 investors: institutional, funding. Although I cannot access everything because for you to access the data of Pi Network's funding, you need an email that is connected to a company. So you can't use Gmail, Yahoo, may Yahoo pa ba? Company.com. Name of your company.com. There are 3 investors. 2 of them is 137 Ventures and Designer Fund. At 137 Ventures, who is this company? By the way guys, investors do not give loans for company. They really invest in that company for shares or percentage or dividends, profit. 7 Ventures, and ano na ba yung na-fund nila? What are the projects they have helped? Ito, SpaceX. These are the companies. 137 Ventures, SpaceX, Elon Musk. What else? Uber. This is the brand that I know. Okay, Curology. Airbnb. They also funded Airbnb. Grab. Traction company is a legit website that let startups and investors meet for mutual benefits. Thanks.